Bitcoin holders, prepare right now. Hit the like button, subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction for the Bitcoin price. Let's get right into the charts. So the weekly candle just closed a few minutes ago, and actually, what happened? We actually closed the weekly above $28,000. Now, is this bearish? Is this bullish? Well, let's take a look right here. I said in my previous video on the Bitcoin technical analysis that we need Bitcoin to break above 28,400. We need the Bitcoin weekly candle actually to close above that price, which we did not. But also we didn't close below the $26,700 price level, which would also be a bearish scenario. So no, this isn't bearish, this isn't bullish. But what does this mean? It means right now the markets are undecisive. People don't know where the price of Bitcoin is going to go. So this upcoming week is going to be a very important week for the Bitcoin price, because do we get a rejection and do we see the Bitcoin price head back down to retest the $25,000 price level, which is a scenario that I would love to see, because this would mean if we do bounce, that would confirm we have strong support on the $25,000 price level for BTC. Now, on the other hand, tomorrow we're going to see if we break through the 28,400. If we do on the daily time frame, we actually need to close above this resistance. This means it's going to be a good chance we see a $30,000 Bitcoin. But what does it show us? We have low volume right now. Just remember, it is Sunday, which means usually on weekends we do have low volume. So we have to wait for the markets to open tomorrow. Also, it's very concerning because the MACD is showing us it is starting to reverse and showing us signaling for a sell. We're just waiting for a red dot on the daily time frame. But on the 4-hour time frame, what do we see here? We see a green dot, and it's showing us it's starting to go for a buy. So there are two contradicting things showing us what? One is showing us a buy on the 4-hour and a sell on the daily time frame. So overall, the markets are undecisive. We are going to find out very, very soon. If we take a look at the HTF liquidity pool, what do we see? Well, a lot of traders started entering long positions and have their stop loss around 26,700, which I said was what? A confirmation that we will head down if we break below this on the daily time frame. We need to close below this on the daily time frame to confirm we are heading to the $25,000 level to test this support that was once resistance. Now, keep in mind, guys, right now there is a banking crisis. This is why I'm 50-50 on the Bitcoin price, moving to 30,000 or heading to 25,000. Remember, guys, there is a banking crisis going on. If we take a closer look, just last week, $475 billion was borrowed by U.S. banks just last week. And if we do a breakdown, large bank borrowed around $250 billion, while small banks borrowed around $250 billion as well. So yes, small banks and large banks are in trouble. As for foreign related banks, they did borrow around $25 billion. Now, scrolling down, what do we see here? There's a breakdown. Here's new Fed data that shows banks lost approximately $100 billion in deposits just last week. Large banks did see an increase of $67 billion, but small banks saw a decrease of $120 billion. And foreign related banks saw a loss of $45 billion. So overall, we are in the negatives. Do you understand? This is confirming that we are in a banking crisis, which is why I'm 50-50 on the Bitcoin price. Do we head to 30K or do we head back down to 25,000 to retest what? The support level. Overall, my price prediction, if things are bullish, we do see a $31,000 to $32,000 Bitcoin. If bearish, we see a $25,000 Bitcoin. Very simple right now. It's very undecisive. People are saying on the 4-hour time frame, there is a sort of diamond pattern that was formed. As you guys can see, I am showing you guys right now. Usually a diamond pattern on an uptrend means that we are going to see some downside, meaning, yes, there's a good chance that we are going to see a $25,000 Bitcoin, which is what I would love to see, honestly, guys. I would love to see Bitcoin correct down to 25,000, so then I can start entering long positions if we confirm 25,000 is what? Strong support. Overall, guys, make sure to keep an eye tomorrow for the Bitcoin price. This is DC Trading. Hit the like button, subscribe for daily technical analysis. Peace.